Creative endeavors are by their nature uncertain. Do not wait for a coronation. The greatest emperors crown themselves. Your obstacles are not rivers or mountains or other people. Your obstacle is yourself. In order to master a field, you must love the subject and feel a profound connection to it. Persistence of little progress wins over brute force. You destroy an enemy when you make a friend of him. If you are not in danger, says Sun Tzu, do not fight. Always say less than necessary. Deception is a developed art of civilization and the most potent weapon in the game of power. Sometimes, however, it is better to take risks and play the most capricious, unpredictable move. Creativity is a combination of discipline and childlike spirit. When it comes to mastering a skill, time is the magic ingredient. Impatience only makes you look weak. It is a principal impediment to power. Everyone admires the bold. No one honors the timid. You cannot spend your life worrying about the petty feelings of others. Power is a game. This cannot be repeated too often. Be a flame of positive emotions and you will never be without a friend. Make your masters appear more brilliant than they are, and you will attain the heights of power. The future belongs to those who learn more skills and combine them in creative ways. Boldness makes even the smallest animal dangerous.